Good morning, students. Once again, you're most welcome in our mathematics class. We already started fifth lesson, fractions. In that, we learn regarding the fractions. What is fraction? Fraction means a part of whole. Whenever we are doing the counting, when we counting the less than 1, at that time we are using the fractions. Within the fractions, we learn about the numerator and denominator. Whenever we are learning about the fractions, we learn about the equivalent fractions and like fractions. What is the like fractions? Like fractions means the fractions which have the equal denominator or the same denominator, that are called like fractions. The same time we learn about the unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? Unlike fractions means fractions which have a different denominator. So, on this basis of these sums, now today we are going to learn about the mathematical operations on the fractions. In that first, today we are going to learn regarding the addition of like fractions. If we have the like fractions, so how we are going to do the addition of that fractions? Let's see with the help of example. Addition of like fractions. If you can see over here we have a strip. And that strip should be divided within the three parts, three colors, black, white and blue. And if you are able to see, that are bifurcated in how many parts? 6 parts. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, as we learn how you are going to write this black shaded part, that would become 3, 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded with black color. So 3 upon total is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 upon 6. Whenever we are writing the fraction, so at that time in the numerator we have to write a part of whole and within the denominator the whole. Whenever we are talking about this white part, so it will become 1 upon the total is 6. Whenever we are talking about this blue one, so 1, 2 is shaded by blue color and the total is 6. So if we come to know regarding these all fractions of 3 colors, now how we are going to do the addition between these 3 fractions? We can do the addition between any two fractions or more than 2 fractions. Just think regarding that the denominator should be same. What today we are going to learn about the addition of like fractions. So here we have 3 upon 6, 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Let's do the addition of this all. So what it could become? First we have to write numerator with the sign of addition. So 3 plus 1 plus 2. All the numerator of the 3 fractions should be added. And after that, as because all the denominators are same, means this all 3 fractions are like fractions. So we have to take common as it is denominator, that is 6. Got it? Then 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. And in the denominator we already have the 6. So we got the answer 6 upon 6. So this way we are going to do the addition of the like fractions. Once again, we have to add all the numerator of the given fractions, and in the denominator we have the common, the denominator what we have as it is. Then we have to do the addition of the numerator, all digits what we have. It will become 6 upon 6. So if you are able to see here in the answer we have the same numerator as well as denominator, that is 6. So if the numerator and the denominator of fractions are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. So we can say it could become 1. 6 1 is 6 and 6 1 is 6. So always remember, so it will become the answer of our addition of this. Let's see. Here we have the 2 important points for the regarding addition of like fractions. When adding like fractions, we add the numerator of the two fractions or more than two fractions, what we have in the question, and write the denominator as it is. As we did in our example, here we have these three fractions, we added the 2, we added the 3, and all the numerators should be added, and denominator as it is commonly we have written what we have. The second most important point is that if the numerator and the denominator of a fraction equal, the fraction is equal to 1, means if numerator and denominator should be equal, the same, so answer should be 1, as because that is equal to 1. So this way, whenever we have a like fraction, we have to do the addition of like fraction this way. Now on the basis of this, we have a problem set number 20. Let's move for that. Here we have problem set number 20 and add the sub question 1, 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. So we are able to see here we have the like fractions. So let's start. First, what we have to do, add the numerator, what we have. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. 1 plus 3, denominator, take the common 5 as it is what we have. So it will become 3 plus 1, 4, and in the denominator 5. Is it possible to do the cancellations? No. Is it possible to the numerator and the denominator should be same? No. So it could become the answer. Come for the second one. Again we have to write, we have 2 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7. First step, add the numerator what we have in these two fractions. Write the denominator as it is. 2 plus 4, 6. Denominator 7. Is there any possibilities to do the cancellations? No. So it could become answer. Come for the third one. 7 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. Numerator added with the numerator. So 7 plus 2. Denominator as it is. So it could become 7 plus 2, 9 upon 12. You can see 9 and 12. Is it possible to do the cancellations? Yes. As because 9 and 12 both numerator as well as denominator are the multiple of 3. So the both should be divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So this 3 upon 4 will become the answer. Yes. How we can do the cancellation? If numerator as well as denominator both are the multiple of any one number, any one digit, so we can do the cancellation by that digit. Like here 9 and 12 both are the multiple of 3. So we are divided numerator as well as denominator both by 3. So we got 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 upon 4 will become the answer of our addition. Move for the fourth one. In the fourth we have 2 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. First step, do the addition between the numerator 7 plus 2. Write the denominator commonly as it is. We are written 9. 7 plus 2, 9 upon 9. You can see here we have the 9 and 9 in both numerator as well as denominator. And we learned that if numerator and the denominator are the same, that is equal to 1. Means the answer of this addition will become 1. 2 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9 is equal to 1. This way we have to do the addition of the given like fractions. The next sum is sum number 5. 3 upon 15 and 4 upon 15. Let's start. Again 3 upon 15 plus 4 upon 15. What we have to do? Do the addition of numerators. We have 3 plus 4. Denominator as it is common, we took 15. It will become 3 plus 4, 7 upon 15. Is it possible to do the cancellations? No. So it will become answer. The next one, sixth one. What is the difference between what we did till now? That is, here we have the 3 fraction and earlier we have the 2 fractions. So there is no need to worry, just we have to do what we did earlier. So let's do it. We have 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. So we are adding the numerators first. So add it. 2 plus 1 plus 3. The same way, if we have more than 2 any fractions, all the numerators should be added like this and the denominator are the same. Commonly we have to take 7. So it will become 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6 and denominator will become 7. Is it possible to do the cancellations within the 6 and 7s? Is it any their numbers? These 2 are the multiple of that digit? No. So that could become the answers. Like the same, if you have the 4 fraction, 5 fraction, 6 fraction, the rules are the same for each and every. We should add the numerator, write the common denominator and do it. The same way, here we have the question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9. You should be do these 3 sums for your homework. You should be add it like we did earlier 6 sums. Now, these all are the numerical addition of the like fractions. The next we have the word problem. Whenever we have the word problem, always I told you all, just read the sum carefully and try to understand the concept what they are given in that sum. So see, mother gave 3 upon 8 of 1 guava to Meena and 2 upon 8 of guava to Geeta. What part of the guava did she give them all together? We learn that if we have a word all together, that means this is the sum of addition. And mother gave 3 upon 8 of 1 guava to Meena and 2 upon 8 of guava to Geeta. So all together, how much is given to both Meena and Geeta? What we have to do, first we are going to do the addition of these 2. Means there was a guava that should be bifurcated into 8 equal parts. How we can come to an 8 equal part? As because in the both of the fractions we have the denominator 8. That means the guava should be divided into equal 8 parts. Out of that, the 3 pieces mother given to Meena and 2 pieces should be given to Geeta. So today we are going to do the addition of these. Let's see how we have to do it. First, we have 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. As we learn that, add the numerator 3 plus 2, denominator commonly 8. It could become 5 upon 8. Is it possible to do the cancellation? No. So it could become the answer. But whenever we are having the word problem, we have to conclude the sum with the answer and we have to write the answer in the form what they are asking. What part of the guava did she give them all together? So 5 upon 8 part of the guava she give them all together. The answer should be in the form what they are asking. Once again, we are adding these 2. What we did in the numerical sums, 3 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8. There is no any possibility to do the cancellations. So that will become the answer and we are written that in the answer form 5 upon 8 part of the guava she give them all together. Come for the next sum. The sum number 3. The girls of standard 5th clean 3/4 of a field while the boys cleaned 1/4, what part of the field was cleaned altogether? So if you are able to see here, we have 3/4 and 1/4. The denominators are the same, means we have to do the addition. As we got here, we have the word altogether. There was a ground that should be cleaned by girls as well as boys of the 5th standard. And how much the girls cleaned? 3/4 part, and boys cleaned 1/4. So altogether, all the students of the 5th, like boys and girls, how much they clean? So it could become like 3/4 plus 1/4. So add the numerators, 3/4 upon 4. The denominators are the same, we have written commonly. So 3 plus 1, 4/4. We learned that when we have the numerator as well as denominator equal, that means that is the value 1. 1 means the whole ground. So this will become the answer. Now we have to conclude our answers in the form what they are asking. What part of the field was cleaned altogether? How much they cleaned altogether, that we have to write. There is given 1 means whole ground. So 1 means whole ground, whole field was cleaned altogether. Once again, just see here, we got the 1, we should not write one field, as we got 1 means the whole. There was a field, one field that is cleaned by both boys and girls. So 3/4 cleaned by the girls and 1/4 cleaned by the boys, means totally they are cleaned all the ground, all the field. So we should write whole field was cleaned all together. So this way we learn how we are going to do the addition of the like fractions, whether that are the numerical and the word problems. So that way we have to add the numerator first, write the denominator commonly, and find out the answers. And if there is any possibility to do the cancellations, so we have to do it. Or the second case, if you are getting the numerator as well as denominator the same, so that time the answer will be 1. These things we learned today. On the basis of that, you got these 3 sums for your homework, and you have to complete it and submit it in your group. And still, if you have any doubt, we will solve in the next video. The next concept we will continue in the next video. Thank you so much.